Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will see another off-campus drive from the Thinkitive Technologies. This off-campus drive is from Thinkitive Technology for the trainee software engineer. This is totally a fresher off-campus drive, and directly I will show you the eligibility criteria for this off-campus drive. Candidate pass out from 2018, 19, 20 and 21 batch can apply for this position. These four pass out year batch candidates can apply for this position. Then BTech candidates, ME/MTech in computer science or information technology, or MCA pass out in the year 2018, 19, 20 and 21 batch candidates can apply for this position. This is some information about the Thinkitive Technologies company. Skills required: strong communication and interpersonal skills, problem solving approach, software development, programming, data structure, front end knowledge. Then job description: strong problem solving skills, then you should be a quick learner, then candidate should have good knowledge of logical and designing concept, fundamentals of C++ and OOPS concept is must, knowledge of HTML, JavaScript and CSS is required, front end technologies or frameworks, that is CSS, that is cascading style sheet, like Foundation or Bootstrap. Good to have knowledge of Spring and Angular framework, good understanding of JavaScript, familiarity with databases, then defect fixes and performance optimization. What will be the interview process? Online assessment test will be there, then level 1 technical interview, then level 2 technical interview, then manager or and logical round will be there, and finally HR round will be there. Okay, so this batch, this off-campus drive is for BTech, ME/MTech, MCA candidates from CSIT background, computer science, information technology, MCA candidates also. Batch is 2018, 19, 20 and 21. Now we will see how to apply for this position. Click here on. So I have opened the form here, Google form here. Now this position is only for fresher candidates who are available to join immediately. This joining is immediate joining. If you will get selected, then you have to sign 2 years of service agreement, that is 2 years of bond will be there. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, we will be working from home, and one situation will overcome, you have to report to Pune office. Okay, Pune office. The offered package for this position is fixed, which is 3 LPA. Okay, I have read above mentioned details. I agree. Click on I agree and click on next. Okay, now you need to enter your full name, gender, email address, qualification, specialization. Enter all these details. Are you holding any offer? If yes, please specify, otherwise keep it blank. Okay, then your upload passport size photograph, submit your resume or CV, then click on next. Let me fill the details. Otherwise, what you do, please apply for this position. Click on next. There are total 5 pages you can see here. At the 5th page you will get the submit button. Here you will get the submit button and submit this form. Okay, so this is the off-campus drive, Thinkitive Technologies Private Limited. Job location is Pune. Okay, so please apply for this position. Don't miss this chance. You will get the link in the description box below. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. And one more point that I am requesting you all, whenever you will get any aptitude test mail from any company, then please drop one message, or please do comment, so that I will tell you, or so that it will be beneficial for you, so that I can prepare documents or files on that, so that I can provide those documents to you and you can prepare from that. Okay, so that is the thing. And please subscribe to my channel as well. Many of you don't subscribe to my channel, only they see the videos and they don't subscribe. Okay, so my request is to please subscribe to my channel, so that you will get daily job notifications. Okay, and thanks for watching this video.